My goal is to design a boat for fishing and crabbing at the Pacific coast. It has to be very stable. If the boat flips over, I can climb back on it easily. Therefore, a pontoon boat is a good choice. In May 2020, I started building it using heat fusion technique. Unfortunately, when I tested it, there was a leak. I know I can fix this by using silicone sealant, but I want to come up with a more reliable pontoon design. Therefore, I paused this project and work on other projects. Then I built Gen 9, Gen 9 Plus, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17. There's quite a few boats I built in the last 15 months. For those who are new to my channel, you can see the videos on all these boats. This actually is a very good move because while I was building all these boats, I learned more about the limitations of heat fusion, and I used the learning to create my Gen 17. It is a paddleboard, a pontoon fishing boat, a kayak, or whatever you want to call it. I tested it at the Pacific coast, and it is a very successful design. The original fishing kayak didn't include a paddle drive. This time, I'm adding one. And this requirement dictated the height of the pontoon, because most of the paddle drives in the market have similar dimensions. The length of the shaft is not as long as I would like it to be, while the foot paddles allow the user to paddle in a circular motion. Based on my estimation, a 4 inches thick pontoon will barely work. The propeller has to clear the bottom of the pontoon. Now I have my paddleboard, and I want to rig it up and see if my estimation works. As I rotate the propeller, there's about 1 inch clearance between the top of the propeller and the bottom of the boat. This is good. Next, I have to check how much clearance do I have between my feet and the top of the pontoon. I wear 7.5 size shoes. Looks like I have plenty of margins. But this margin changes with the placement of the seat and also the inclination and the height of the seat. Looks like the mechanical dimensionings and concept works. My next step is to build a rigid frame to mount the drive and also incline the seat backward a little bit more and go to the water test with it. We'll share my water test results in my next video. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching this channel. If you find the video useful or interesting, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And you will be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching.